One of the wonderful things about a wedding is that it serves as a family reunion, gathering of old and new friends, and a meaningful way for all of our favorite people to be here in one place.
I sifted through a desert in my heart to find all the oases where they are. But you've been dancing on my brow, and all sweet and soft come fountains with the sound.
Jason, from the moment I first met you in La Jolla, I knew you instantly that you were my someone special.
If anyone would have told me that over 2 years ago that I'd meet the love of my life, get married, and most shockingly, move from Southern California, I would have never believed them. But yet, here we are. All those things and more have come true.
Oh, I've been frozen in the snow. Like a torch near me, you thaw me in the glow. I'll follow you by moonlight when I go blind. It's a lovely thing to see things through your eyes. It's a lovely thing to see things through your eyes.
I'm truly grateful to have you in my life. It warms my heart how deeply you love and care for my family and friends. To say that you're my mom's new favorite would be an understatement.
Today, we not only come together in marriage, but we join each other's families who have always been supportive and loving. And I can't wait to tell Mama, your sisters, brothers, family and friends in Längenfeld in August where we'll be standing here kind of doing the same thing, but in lederhosen.
Oh, you're the prettiest of songs. It's all of you I wanna know. Your helping hand, it sets me free. Oh, darling, you are so good to me.
Our life may be far from perfect, but I feel blessed to have the perfect partner by my side.
You make me laugh, and you really scare me when you drive.
I'm a good driver. I will dream with you, build with you, travel with you, and always believe in you. I promise to always be here for you, to listen, hold your hands, and always do my best to make you happy. I love you, babe.
I've had many amazing things happen in my life, but there was always one thing I never thought I would have. And that's something that others sometimes take for granted. And that's the ability to marry and have a family of my own. When I finally came out, I thought I had to give all of that up. I thought in order to be who I wanted to be, I couldn't have everything. But I know now I can. And I do.
Now, at last, to the words you really want to hear. By the powers vested in me by the very official American Marriage Ministries, I now pronounce you, Jason and Konrad, married. You may kiss your husband.
It was obvious from the first time I saw Jason in a video he recorded for Konrad from a hiking trip that he was kind, compassionate, thoughtful and considerate, and he makes Konrad happy in a way I never could.
Konrad, thank you for coming into Jason's life, and thank you for making my friends smile. And Jason, may you be this happy and loved as you are today for all time, because you deserve it.
Albert Schweitzer, a philosopher and physician, said, "Happiness is the only thing that multiplies when you share it." Your love and happiness is obvious and infectious and makes us want to be around you, no matter how far you try to get away and how far we have to travel.
Aber wie auch immer, wir sind euch auch Engbaden dankbar, dass wir das Fest mit euch feiern dürfen, weil ihr damit unser Leben bereichert. Conny und Jason, unsere zwei Juwelen. Ich weiß, das seid zwar bis jetzt schon ganz gut miteinander zuvor gekommen und in der Manier werdet ihr ein großartiges gemeinsames Leben haben.
We are grateful to both of you for celebrating your wedding with us, because you are enriching our lives. Konrad and Jason, I know, together you mutually experienced a great deal already, and likewise, you will have a great whole life together.
So, wenn wir gesehen haben, wir wollen zu Längenfeld noch eine Hochzeitsfeier machen, oft haben wir gesehen, wir wollen was Uriges machen und natürlich haben wir gesehen, wir wollen das irgendwo auf der Alm mit den Kühlglücken und mit den Hennen und noch mit alles drum und dran und es gibt wirklich nichts Schöneres. Es ist, wie unsere amerikanischen Freunde sagen, es ist wie im Bilderbuch.
I'm not usually very emotional, I promise. But it's hard because I'm so happy. It was easier to listen to Konrad's speech because I didn't understand any of it. For the first time I came to Längenfeld, for the first time I met friends, family here, and bringing some of my friends here. It's a magical spot, and I couldn't be happier to be here to celebrate that with all of you.
Set fire to all your maps. Forget how it's always been. We're explorers of the heart, learning to dream again. The adventure of a lifetime, with love alone as our guide. Exotic places beyond imagination, ones we've longed for deep inside.
And as I watch you dance and run in and through a field of grass, it begins to seem like a sheet of glass on a TV screen. I have not been here before. Despite the draw, despite the lore, like it's been held until I'm this old, with the perfect way for it to unfold. Whoa, life, yeah, I couldn't think of. Whoa, life, yeah, I couldn't think of. Whoa, life, that I couldn't think of. Whoa, life, that I couldn't think of. As I survey the beautiful wedding that I record all the endless, yeah, in the character, yeah, God development, world life, yeah, I couldn't think of. World I couldn't think of.